Yeah. Why not? No, somebody. Nobody's up. Let's go
Really annoying. This is our property. Was there any court order to say we will not hold our meetings in our office? What is going on? I was a young man in 1962 when it all started in Southwest. We must avoid that pitness, that madness. What is it? Can't we sit and talk? What is the essence of democracy? Nigerians are watching. You came to our office surrounded by police because you want to have a meeting? Where? You want to turn us to North Korea? Or turn this country to Russia? We will not allow it. Nigerians will not allow it. I can tell, I have seen both sides. Let them be very careful. Allow everybody to work according to the law of the land.
What is the way forward now?
The way forward? Do you think we are not going to hold the meeting? Of course, we will hold the meeting.
Today?
You bet. We will hold the meeting. Look, location, our property. You know, the landlord was prevented from sitting down and discussing domestic problems, family problems. They locked it. That doesn't mean that there are no more other houses. This is the only building in Abuja.
So we spoke to some of the policemen who said that actually it is to maintain law and order because of the conflicting notices that emerged yesterday.
Yes, and also that they got an order from above. So who is the above?
You can hear, you know, biblically, you hear, this is the voice of Jacob, but the hand of Esau. Whoever is the thing that is ordered from the above, we've had it before. I have been on both sides, the military and the civil. So, let me please advise, allow sleeping dogs to lie. We have more problems, economic, financial, education, infrastructure. They should face that. Are you saying we PDP cannot? It is the only political Iroko tree in this country. You are saying we cannot stand? Can you tell Iroko tree in the bush that it cannot stand? Is it possible?
Hello, Chief. You're speaking in parable. Hand of Esau, body of Jacob. Who is the Esau or who is the Jacob?
You don't need, unless you are not grown up to that. If he says that the order from above, where is the above? That's why I said the voice of Jacob, but the hand of Esau.
But sir, as an elder of the party,
Yes.
as an elder of the party,
Right.
why is it difficult to resolve this kind of thing?
This is the meeting that you know, we cannot, you don't resolve, because PDP is not a private enterprise. You don't resolve it outside. You must sit down. So if you want us to resolve our crisis, you keep it crisis. I said it's no crisis. It's a disagreement between two people. And we will sit down like you do in a family. If you have a family problem, do you start to go and get the police to block your house and all that and go to the marketplace? No. Please. Let's be civil in this country. Because the public is watching. Everybody is looking at Nigeria. Now the president is on visit to somewhere in West Indies. How would they hear? This is what we are doing in your country. What are you doing here?
And is it also a move to a one-party state?
It's okay, my dear. So
Madam, whether they move to one party or have a party, are they not Nigerians they are going to vote? Who will vote for them? The choice of the people is the power that you exercise. If the people say no and you say yes, who are you? Democracy is about the power of the base. And that power of the base decides, look, we trust you to manage the resources of this country for the benefit of the people. Not your family, not yourself. At the 8th floor of life, who is afraid? I've seen it. So for you younger generation, so that you don't experience the mess we experienced when we were growing up, please let everybody sit down in their corner ready for the contest, fairly and justifiably.
Thank you, sir.
Shasha.
Díẹ̀ jàre pẹ̀lú méjèèjì wọn lọ ń bí òbí kìíní. What's the ṣẹṣẹ. Let's do with this one. Let's go with it. No. What is it? Dami.
And you said, what is the order from above that people should not end the living? You mean we should not end the living? Why? They say we should forget the offices. What is it?
Papa, leave there now, please.
That is what they are saying. They say we should leave our office. Don't be there.
I'll go inside. You might move back.
No. Okay, meet her and this girl for this your.
Sure.
Don't meet this girl.
They come Ben now. They come Ben close to there.
This your. If they are leaving, please take all of them, let them walk out of it. I don't enter shot. Just go round. I need that gate.
We'll pick up outside.
Just here.
Don't go for it, just bend. Don't go for it, just bend.
They are
You want to
leaving.
go and sit somewhere and relax. Just don't want to stand there. So yeah.